I'm very open and honest with my family and my friends about things. I try my best. Everybody tries their best. It's not always your best. And I remember someone asking me one day, like, how are you? And I said, I'm okay. And they were like, you're just okay? You're not great today? And I said, no, I'm just okay, but that's okay. And if I'm not okay, that's okay too, because that's today. Tomorrow may be a whole different scenario. That's where the whole aspect of, anxiety and depression come into play. I don't want to speak too much about that. I'm not educated so much on that, only what I've experienced. But what I know is that anxiety is what hasn't happened yet. And it's very easy to get locked into that. And that's how food therapy and cooking has helped me, because you're in a moment. And that allows you to forget about what's going on tomorrow. It didn't happen yet. It's a process, and it's something you have to train yourself. It takes a lot of work. I've been doing a lot of work on this. I continue to do work, and I'll be working on this for the rest of my life probably. Grief and all of that, it's part of my fabric. But you have to learn how to work with it. The whole idea is to encourage yourself to just try. See what's available out there for you. It doesn't have to be cooking. It doesn't have to be artwork. It could be taking a walk. It can be mopping your floor. If it's something you get lost in, embrace that.